the WhatsApp API number, it is going to show similarly that what API number is connected. And once the Facebook business verification is done, it's going to show as business verified. If you see all the all the features, everything, the main features which is there, it is actually handy in the page. If you want to add your customers, you can with a single click. You can either add one by one, or you can do a bulk upload where you can add multiple users at one time through Excel CSV file. And if you want to see how to do that, you have a prerequisite, you have a tutorial which is already there in the homepage. Whatever feature we have like tutorials everything handy so that everything is easy for you. Want to create a template with a single click, I'll show you how the user section looks like. Once you add a user, it's going to show all the fields that you want. The mandatory field you have contact number and country code. If you want to have any other field like name or contact or email ID, tags, you can also add tags so that it can help you segregate customers and do marketing campaign accordingly with separate segregate customers. Any other field if you want, you can have that on your Excel file and that can be added and viewed here. Once you add your users via bulk upload or single user, it will be visible here in the user section. Next, if you want to do a bulk messaging, firstly you will have to add it. Okay. Now this template, you can't send a personalized like a custom message. You will have to send via templates only. So as you can see, there is a template, some templates which are available. If you want to create your own template, you can also create a customized template. You can give a name to your template, choose which category, is it a marketing, utility, or authentication. Let me choose marketing, and these are the buttons which you have. You can have like copy code, URL, quick replies, their website link, and also you can send your products page, showcase your products lists and everything, add a carousel. You can have WhatsApp flow or an LTO limited time offer message buttons. You click copy code button. We have more than 16 plus languages available on the template. One amazing part is like while you create template, you'll get a real-time preview that how your template is will be visible to the Android users and to the iOS Apple users. So the template is divided into three components. First is the header, body, and footer. The header, if you see, you can have image, video, document. Image here. Then I'll add the body. While creating the body template, if you want to address your customers by name, there's an option for variable also. Add variable here so that for more authenticity, you can address the customers by their name if you have that field in the user section. You can add this variable which will address the customers by their name. Any message, marketing message which you want to have. Footer is more like a shorter format of message. Then maybe you can add coupon code where they can copy the offer code and you can actually paste it in the website or the URL which will be pasted. You can have a website URL where they can reach to your website, visit us, or you can have here button talk now. You can have a contact number also where button of contact us and they'll be able to connect with you. There are other quick replies which you can have which will show like with the option maybe a yes or no or a no or any option which you can make it here. You'll get a real-time preview as you can see here. Once you submit here from here, Meta will take like 1 or 2 minutes to verify and the template will be available for you. After you have the template approved from Meta, you can go to the notifications and you can run the campaign. running the campaign, you can give the campaign name. You can choose your audience also if you want to have a one-time message or ongoing message. While choosing your audience, you can set filters if you want to have tags or maybe by batches or any if you want to segregate customers via camping, that can be done by applying filters. You will have to choose the template which you just actually created. While you click the template, you will also get the option for choosing the variable which we discussed. If you want to address the customer by name, you can address. If you have any other value there, you can also add. If you want to mention the email in the body, that can be done. You can select the variable which you want. There is also a fallback value that if there is no name or email, it will be directly mentioned as there or whatever you want customized. You can set up some opt-out button. As you know that through WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, like most of the you guys must be facing this, that majorly you will get blocked or your numbers are getting spammed, right? So to avoid this, you can in WhatsApp API you can have the opt-out button, so that you can avoid getting blocked or spammed, right? The opt-out button will be directly visible in the message template only, so that they can maybe click stop or any opt-out button. You can set up the opt-out option here. You can showcase your product by collection. This showcase your catalog. If you see, this is how your products will be shown to the customers also. You can also send interactive list messages, more like without human intervention. If you want the customers to complete their entire journey of purchasing, that can be done. You can set a workflow where customize about, maybe if you're sending a message A, if you can give an option of B and C. Then if they click on B, furthermore what options you want, you can have designed the branches what reply you want, and you can set a workflow. You can then schedule your message either for immediately or a custom date which you want that to go live. There's an option where we also attempt on failed messages. So automatically you can set up retries for the failed messages. You can make a campaign live. Once you run any campaign, you'll be getting the analytics also here, so that you can see how many messages were delivered, who replied, and more detailed you can see who replied and who clicked on the buttons. You can see the users list for that. Then for the integrations, you can see that we have these are few of the CRMs and e-stores which are available for integrations. You can connect Freshdesk, so many other CRM. If you have any of your CRM which you want to connect here, we can also provide the API key and that can be integrated. Okay. This widget button, which you can also have on your website, you can customize the widget button or however you want. You can see the preview also here. You can have that. So for all the e-commerce platforms, the commerce, like people who are into e-commerce, so here you can have all the order related messages showcasing your collection, product collections and catalogs can be done. You can put the auto flow which will be visible like this to the users. You can actually customize this. You can also set up your team, like for if you want to add any team, you can add multiple users here. You can select the role for them. So if you want to add them as admin or as a teammate, and you can access to this particular portal. And if you want to give permissions for them, you can also give permissions, so that what access you want to give to the owner, what access you want to give to the admin, and what access you want to give to the teammate. You can actually do that from here. Okay. I'll also show a real-time example. You can see from this screen. So I'll give a real time. So I'll show you our automations as well. So we had one of our e-commerce platform. Yeah, this is one of our clothing brand which we have. So you can see that they've made the automation flow, and you can have like a real-time look at how it will look to the customer. Once a customer sends hi, you can you can design a welcome message like this. You can add three buttons, either browse product, support issues, or a track order. Then if I click on browse product, and further I am getting your options to choose. Then I selected sarees. And if I want to view items, yeah, it will show me all the details of the sarees which are available here. Then I clicked on any, I can add cart and I can do the payment engagement from here itself. Then if I want to connect to the support, then I click on support issues. It's going to connect the query with the agent. So then you can have the stop button here. You can have the website through Talk Now. They can, so you can see how you can actually have this WhatsApp automation flow for your product as well. Okay. Now the last part which will be come, I'll show you the pricings and the payment subscription offer which Interact is actually giving. So yeah, so this screen will be able to see that the component of pricing we have monthly, quarterly, and yearly